Hey, what's up? It's Henry, the developer of KickBot, and in this video, I'll be showing you how you can control your kick stream with your Stream Deck. This is very easy to set up. So step one, we're going to head to kickbot.app. With KickBot, there's all sorts of things you can do for Kick. You can see some of the features here, but for this video, we'll be focused on the Stream Deck plugin. So once we're here, we're going to log in with Discord. This should bring up the Discord sign-in page. We'll just press authorize. And this brings us right into the KickBot settings page. So there's all sorts of features on KickBot. After this tutorial, if you're not already using KickBot, I would highly recommend to check some of these out. But obviously for this tutorial, we're focused on Stream Deck. So step one, we're going to type in our Kick username. My username is HenryK89. Press save. We can see that it's saved. And now you can see for Stream Deck, we need to verify our Kick account. So we're going to press verify Kick account. We need to go to kick.com/kickbot. This brings up the chat room here. Then we need to open the chat and type verify with this code. So I'm going to copy this, paste it in here, send it. And we need to add KickBot as a moderator on our stream. So I already have my creator dashboard open, and I already have KickBot added as a moderator. But if you don't, just type in KickBot in the search bar. It should be the verified one. Press add, and you should be good to go here. And step four, we just need to press verify. So press verify. Takes a second to load. And you'll see we now have our Stream Deck API key. In case you were signed into the wrong Kick account, or if you had a typo in your username, you might get an error in that little modal just saying, make sure you're signed into the right account, or make sure, you entered your Kick username. Just confirm that your usernames match between both and re-verify if needed. So now we have our Stream Deck key. The next step will be getting the plugin on the Stream Deck app. So I'm going to open the Stream Deck application, and we'll go to the plugin store, search KickBot, and it should be the only result. I already have it installed, but obviously just press install. It'll take a second to install, and then it'll pop up on the right side of your stream or of your screen. So there's a couple functions. We can create clips, we can clear chat, and we can send messages. We'll start out with the create clip function. And I'll overlay my phone Stream Deck app on the bottom corner of the stream so you can see what it looks like on your Stream Deck or on your phone. So we'll add this. We can put in a title. I'll just call this 30 seconds. And now we have an option for our KickBot key. So this is that API key here. It's important to make sure that you don't share this key, particularly if you are on stream, because if somebody has access to the stream, to the key, they will be able to control your stream through Stream Deck, which means they can create clips, they can clear your chat, or they can send messages through KickBot, which are not good things. So, I'd recommend making sure this is hidden. But if for some reason you do show it accidentally, you can just regenerate it, and it'll delete the previous keys and give you a new one. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll be deleting this afterwards, so there's nothing you can do with this key if you copy it. So I'll copy this. We'll go back to the Stream Deck app, paste it into the KickBot key option, and we can enter a clip length. I'm just going to use the default 30 seconds. Press save, and that should be good to go. If you are using the create clip function and you haven't already enabled the clip command on KickBot, that is something you need to do. Otherwise, the command won't work. If you already verified, your account for the Stream Deck function, all this takes is just pressing enable, and then afterwards you can type exclamation point clip or exclamation point clip, 20 for a 20-second clip, and KickBot will immediately respond with your clip. Super easy to use. It's an absolute game changer for your stream. So if you don't already have this enabled, I'd highly recommend it. But we'll go back to the plugin now. So we'll check out the clear chat plugin. We'll just call this one clear. Obviously, names are optional, but I prefer writing names just so it's a little easier for me to tell what's what at a glance. We'll copy our key again. We'll paste it into here. Press save. And now we can check out the send message function. This one lets you send custom messages to your stream. So we'll call this one Discord. I'll paste in my key. I'll say join our Discord server. You put your Discord link in there. We'll press save, and then we can see all our functions are good to go. You can also add multiple functions. So say we wanted to have another one, as a follow reminder. We can say follow for a cookie. And we can also, we can have multiple clips. Say we wanted to create a 60-second clip. A 60-second clip with one of these, we can totally do that. But at this point, I'm pretty happy with this. As you can see, they're all added to my Stream Deck app on my phone. So now we can start using these. So I'm gonna head over to my Kick stream. I'm not streaming at the moment, but all these functions should work, with the exception of the clip command, because if you're not live, there's nothing to clip. So first off, we'll test out the follow message, and we can see KickBot responds with follow for a cookie. We can check out the Discord one. Join our Discord server. We can try clearing the chat. Clears it instantly. That one's actually super handy to have. And then we have the clip function, and that's his KickBot creating the clip. Like I said, I'm not live right now, so there's no response. But I'll clear this again, and that should be all you need for the to integrate your Stream Deck with Kick. If you had any issues, or if you're looking for help on anything else KickBot, feel free to join our Discord server. We can get you support right away. But hopefully this helped, and happy streaming.